Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, June 12th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the Euro dollar monthly, I still believe that this is going to end up growing into an uptrend. I think it's going to end up looking something like that, most likely taking out these highs, making a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of A, or maybe even more likely a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 1. Either way, I think it's going to continue the uptrend, take out these two highs, and end up looking something like that. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame is where you can see this uptrend right here, which I think is a 1. I think this is an ABC of 2. I think it's an irregular ABC of 2 because the wave B did take out the high of wave 1, but I still believe it is that, and I still believe that we have ended this wave 2 of C, and that we are now going to head up and make that wave 3, 4, and 5, just like what I was showing on the monthly time frame. Like I said, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of A, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 1. Either scenario doesn't really matter to us which one it is. So going down to the daily time frame is where we can see a downtrend, which I think is a wave C. We got an impulsive up, we got corrective down, we got a higher low. I think that this is now in an uptrend. I do have my Fibonacci levels here just in case it does decide to make a corrective move down and turn back down. It will not surprise us because we'll see a three-way pattern bounce off one of these fib levels. But I think it's more likely that we are now in an uptrend. I think it's more likely that this is the end of a wave C and that we are getting ready to head up for a big wave 3. So let's take a look at that on the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, you can now see the impulsive up, the break of structure. I think this is a 1. I think this is ABC down, most likely a 2. I think this right here is like a 1 of 3, a 2 of 3, which turned right at the 50% level. And I think there's a very good likelihood this is now just going to keep on trending up for that wave 3. So I am definitely looking for longs in an uptrend, especially on these shorter time frames. So taking it right down to the 1-hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, I think this right here is probably the wave A. This right here is probably a wave B. And this is probably a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of C. Impulsive up, break of structure. After 3 waves down, turning right at a 50% Fibonacci. That would have been exactly what I would have been looking for a long entry to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. So that break of structure would have been my entry to go long. I think it's going to break out of this area and just keep on trending up from here. So if you do see any pullbacks, especially on even shorter time frames than this, then those are exactly the trades I'm looking for the continuation of what may end up being a big wave 3 on the much longer time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.